So this is the Java MOOC programming exercise under part 4.9 called det. Now the problem asks us to create the class det that has double typed instance variable of balance and interest rate. So first of all, let's create a Java class, and it is to be named det. So here we have our Java class, and then it asks us to create two instance variables of type variable and of it, right? After that, the balance and the interest rate are passed to the constructor as parameters. So we have to create same name as the class, and we need two parameters. And a double of det interest rate. Let's use the camel casing here. Now let's assign these values to our instance variable. This equals to, and this dot equals to det one. After that, in addition, we need to create a method. After the creation of the constructor, we need to create a method that is named as print and public void wait 1 year. We need another method as well. Run type void, created both of these methods for the class det. The method print balance prints the current balance. So this method supposedly prints the current balance, right? And the wait 1 year method grows the data amount. So it should be printing like print balance must be directly the balance. So we just have directly print the balance and nothing else. So we can just assign balance, right? And then wait 1 year increases the interest rate of 1%. So our wait 1 year method is used for growing the data amount, right? So there is a main program provided here, and the main program here is illustrated as this. Let me just quickly comment all this. Oh, sorry, why is this? Yes. This, this, uncomment this, and finally uncomment this. So we have a object of a debt named mortgage that creates a debt with this is our debt amount, and this is the interest rate of 1.01. As it is, mortgage the print balance, mortgage the void 1 year, mortgage the print balance. Years is initially assigned at 0, while the years is less than 20. Mortgage the void 1 year is done, but if years equals to years plus 1, so every year our uh, debt amount increases, right? And finally, we have to print the balance. So first of all, we are just printing this amount, the beginning amount. then after we are printing the amount after 1 year, and finally we are printing the amount after 20 years, right? This is how it works. Now all this wait 1 year has to do is increase the debt balance. This balance, right, equals 1 percentage, that is divided by 100, right? And this is to be multiplied by this dot that solves our question. Oh, sorry. We run this program quickly and let's see what the output is like. This is our provided output, and let's quickly check this out if we have done the program correctly or not. Waiting for the results from the server. And well, there is an error. The error says that our instance variables should be private. Make this private and submit it again. Will this solve our problem? I made a huge mistake here. This amount of rate should be provided from our interface. Supposedly, I use the value that's been provided here directly. So this is not what should I have done. So let's check this and let's run the test. Still giving me an error. I don't know what the error is. Let's see. Error says that expected 3000. So supposedly the formula for the amount should be like this multiplied by 1 plus RT, and we have 1 plus rate of interest is this dot rate of interest with a year of 1 because it's about 1 year. So let's check this if this works. So I've missed one very important part here. The part is that the question says that the debt is increased by multiplying the balance by the interest rate. So all we have to do is multiply this by, and I think this will solve our problem. So let's just check if this works. The solution in the question gives us some three values. That's 1,20,000, 1,21,200, and 1478.87. Oh my goodness! Now this is new because oh sorry, it's the same 1.01%. My bad. I hope I get the answer this time. I'm sorry, I'm making a lot of mistakes here. Okay, I think now this works, and let's submit it. Done. Thanks.